welcome back to my channel today. So today we are doing another advent calendar for the 2023 season, you guys. We are doing an unboxing of the Florasis advent calendar, and this is their first time ever doing an advent. So I'm excited because if you guys know this brand, Florasis is over the top. Like, they are so bougie. They're very over the top with their designs, and they just, you guys, they're just exquisite. They are works of art in makeup form. That is the best way that I can describe them. So we are going to be taking a look at their first ever advent calendar. Now, this is a 12-day calendar, and I read online that of the 12 days, only 3 are travel-sized items. So I think they're going to be a good calendar, but we're going to open it up. We're going to check it out today, and we're going to see what's inside of this one. If you guys would like to purchase this calendar, I am going to have a link down below as well. That way you guys can get your very own. It is still available as of right now when I'm filming this, so you should be able to still get it. But I do know advents are limited quantities because they only make so many for that season. So if you do want it, don't wait too long on it. So this is what the Florasis advent looks like. It is an all white box and there's snowflakes all over this. And then it actually has a magnetic buckle over here that keeps it all shut. But also inside of your box, when you order this calendar, you're not only going to receive the calendar, but they're also going to include a shopping bag from their Florasis store. So that way, if you do want to gift wrap this, it looks like you actually went and bought this in the store. So like I mentioned, this is a magnetic clasp, and then inside you're gonna have your 12 days, and these will just be like the perforated ones where you punch them out and then you can receive each of your products. So starting with door number 1, this is what it looks like over here. That way you guys can kind of see how it's put in here. So it looks like they actually put a piece of ribbon around it so that way you can pull it up and you're not having to like dig the product out. So the first item that I have in here is one of their travel-sized products. It's 30 ml, and it is their Botanical Hydra Soothe Balancing Cleansing Oil. To dissolve makeup, it says it will get rid of dirt, impurities, and then you're just gonna rub this all over to remove all of that. So this is what the bottle itself will look like here. There's not a lot going on with packaging. I will be honest with you guys. Just knowing this brand, this is fairly boring for them, but I do still think it's pretty. It's got the same color that Florasis is known for, that kind of blue-green vibe, but they're so intricate with their designs that this seems very muted for them. Door number 2 has an eyebrow pencil. This is a full-size product. This one is in the shade MF05. They have lots of different shades online, but it looks like in the advent, this is the one that everyone will receive. So this box is sealed on top and bottom here. So I do love that everything that you're getting is brand new. It's sealed in the box. So here is what that product will look like. It is a metal tube, and on one end you're gonna have your spoolie, and then the other end will be your product. They actually give you a little picture saying that's your spoolie, and then down here is the actual product you need. In door number 3, we have a Flawless Jade Breathable Setting Powder. This is in number 5, and it's scented with lavender. So this is a full-size box, and it is sealed once again. Here's what it looks like out of the packaging. So it's just gonna be a white container. There is a very slight lavender tint to this, but I mean, it's very, very minimal. I definitely think this would be great even as like color correcting if you needed to. But inside you're gonna have the powder puff on top, and this is what that will look like. And then down below will be your setting powder. So it's just a very slight lavender color, but it's nothing too crazy. In door number 4, we have a full-size lip gloss. This one is their Dewy Jade-like glowing lip gloss. This is in shade number 301. And then, like I said, it is their full-size lip gloss. This is what it will look like here for packaging. You've got that Florasis logo up here at the top, and then your color is down below. It is a really pretty shade. It's a little bit deeper than I was expecting. So a lot of times with Florasis, the ones at least that I've tried, they've been very light and they're going to be softer colors, not a lot of intense pigment. This one has way more pigment than what I was expecting. Now it is a lip gloss, so it's gonna go down with a bit of a shine, but it's not sticky at all, and it does dry pretty quickly. But I definitely think you could build this up if you wanted to. But I do think it has more pigment than I was expecting on this one. So that was kind of a nice surprise. In door number 5, we have their eyeliner, and this one is in shade number 1, which I think is just going to be black. But it is a full-size eyeliner that we have here. This is the packaging on this one. And then inside, you're gonna have that liquid liner. This is a really thin felt tip, which is great for doing line work or wings if you want to be really precise. In order for me to draw out my inner corner in here and to do that little wing that you see on the inside, I have to have a really thin felt tip like this where you can be precise and just draw a little bit at a time. What I also like about this is that it is weighted, so it feels more balanced when you're using it. It may just be me, but I like to have a little bit of weight with my liners. That way, when I am trying to do line work, it will help to counterbalance what I'm doing and it just goes down more evenly. So I love this eyeliner because of the weight that it has. Some people may not like that, but personally, I think it's genius. You know, the other thing that I'm really liking with this calendar is if you've never tried anything from Florasis before, you're getting a little bit of all of their products inside of this calendar. So we've had the eyeliner, we've had the eyebrow product, we've had the setting powder, we've had the cleansing product. So I do feel like you're getting a little bit of everything so far with this calendar. In door number 6, we have one of their lipsticks. Now this is not a lip gloss like the other product, but it is full size. This one is their satin liquid lipstick and it's shade number 501. So the packaging on this one is very similar to the other one, just different colors that we have here. You still have that Florasis logo up at the top. And then this is our lipstick color. So again, it's got a really deep color. And then this will be that satin lip. So it goes down as a matte. Now I went ahead and wiped off the lip gloss down here before, but as you can tell, it does still have pigment afterwards. But I didn't want you guys to think that that lip gloss just faded away or anything. I just didn't want to get lip gloss over all of the other products. But I do think you could build this one up again, since it is just a matte lipstick, that if you wanted to have a bolder, deeper color, you could just apply another coat and then it will build up. I knew that was gonna happen too. As soon as I started to wipe off the lip gloss, I was like, I just know I'm gonna have to swatch something else and you guys are gonna be like, what happened to the gloss? In door number 7, we have one of their highlighters. I have this product, you guys, so I already know it's gonna be beautiful. You guys are gonna love it. This is in shade number 1 and it's their Quartz Glow highlighter. This is what it will look like. It actually has kind of a rose design on the front. It's like a pearl rose shape. It's very pretty and it just catches the light and I just love the way it looks. And then it opens up on the corner here. You have a little button at the front that will actually open up your compact. And then inside you do have a mirror, but then down below will be your highlighter. And this is where you're going to see all of that engraving. This is what I'm talking about with the Florasis makeup. It is art in makeup form. It is so beautiful that half the time I don't even want to touch it because I don't want to ruin it. But this highlighter is a gorgeous glow. You're able to put it on anywhere and you're going to get a really soft glow. It's also a very creamy highlighter. So I love that when you put it on, it blends out perfectly, but you still get a lot of pigment with this one. So it just, I mean, you guys, that's just swatching it on. It just blends on its own that you don't have to do a lot of work with it, but you're still getting this gorgeous highlighter inside. This to me is one of the hero products of the box because it's got so much character in it. In door number 8, we also have another lipstick. However, this one is their Porcelain Dewy Lipstick product. So it's a little bit different than the other ones. We've had the liquid matte and we've also had the lip gloss, but this is your traditional lipstick. It's in the shade 303, which is a pink glaze shade. Now, what's cool about the packaging on this is that this is actual porcelain, so it is very heavy. I mean, it's one of the heaviest lipsticks I've ever had before. So it is a beautiful porcelain case, and then it actually has a really pretty rose design. It's not showing up on camera as much as I would like it to, but it has all of these little engravings of roses wrapped around this. And then you've got this gold band in the center, and then inside you're gonna have your lipstick that also has engravings on the actual product. So it's just stunning. I mean, this is not your average makeup. It's so gorgeous. I do think this is a really pretty color too. Honestly, I think this is going really well, you guys. Like, I wasn't for sure how it was going to be since it's their first one, because sometimes I feel like that when companies do their very first advent, sometimes they just don't know what they're getting into and they don't know what they should do. But so far, I'm really pleased with this. So we're up to door number 9, and this one is their cleansing balm. It's a ginseng balm. This is one of their best sellers, and I have this product and it works really, really well. And inside of your box, you're gonna have your cleansing balm. This is 8 ml of product, so I do believe this is just their travel size. This balm will help to get rid of any makeup, dirt, or impurities. But the nice thing is that it's a gentle balm, so it's very safe for sensitive skin. So you can actually put this on and it will help to melt away any makeup. In door number 10, we have one of their brushes. This is a loose powder brush, and it doesn't state a number or anything on it. It just says that it's a fan pressed powder brush. So here's what your little brush will look like. So this is one that you can take with you on the go. It is considered full size, but it is travel inspired. You know what I mean? Like, you take this with you. That way you've got your feathery brusher you can apply on your powder, and you can have it with you on the go, and it's not like this huge handle or anything like that. It will stand up on its own, so if you do want it to be off of a surface, it will stand up. So I like that. I don't think it's a bad handle either, because it's got a little bit of curvature, so it's easy to hold on to. So it works. I mean, let's be honest, it's not my favorite item in the box. Like, the highlighter is still the one that I think is the best. It's okay. Oh, now this I'm excited for. So if there's ever a product that I really recommend from Florasis, it is their lip balm. It is so good. It's extremely nourishing and hydrating, and I feel like it lasts longer than a lot of other chapsticks out there. So this is their full-size lip balm, and it is the Ginseng Care Lip Balm. And it states that you can use this at night. You can also put it down before putting makeup on. Whatever works for you, it's multi-purpose. This is one of the products that I always rebuy just because it works so well. So inside, you're actually gonna have your lip balm and a metal spatula to scoop it out. So this is what that little spatula will look like. And then your lip balm itself will look like this, and it's a little pot. And then you'll just screw off the lid up here, and your ginseng balm will be down below. But it is so hydrating, you guys. Like, you can put it on and my lips feel so soft and plush for like the entire day. So this is one that I'm really glad is in here, because I can really recommend this product. And last up, in door number 12, we have a Flowery Gaze eyeshadow palette. I was so wondering, I was like, okay, we have tried a little bit of everything from them, but we've not had an eyeshadow palette. And truthfully, the palettes are just beautiful. Like, this is what it needs. Also, I just have to give them huge props that they built up. I feel like that lip balm is one of the best selling products that they have. So I love that it's door number 11. And then they saved the palette for last. So just in terms of layout, I think they did a really great job on this calendar. So this is what our palette looks like. It looks like a little compact. It is all metal, so it's fairly heavy. And then on the back here, you're gonna see the layout. This is really cute. And then look, you get that little clasp at the front. See all the little attention to details? Like, I just love that. And then you're gonna have a mirror up at the top. They actually send you an eyeshadow brush down below, so you get that included. And then these are going to be your 4 shadows. You've got your transition shades. You can build it up here. You've got a shimmer. You've got that smoky edge that you would do. This would give you a gorgeous daytime look, but you could always smoke it out more and make it darker if you wanted to with this color here. I don't think you have a lot of options for looks with this. It is only 4 shadows after all, but truthfully, I've had a lot of quad shadow palettes before and they have none looked as cute as this one. So that is everything inside of my Florasis advent calendar for 2023. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this calendar, their very first one. So I feel like they did a really great job for this calendar. I love, like I said, the buildup. I like that the best product was saved for last. It felt like we were working up to something. Love the packaging and the layout is just gorgeous. I really appreciated that all of my products were sealed as well. And the fact that we have so many full-size products on top of that makes this even better. Like I said, if you've never tried Florasis before, you can really try this brand out by means of this calendar. This brand tends to not do a lot of discounts or coupon codes or anything like that. They don't really offer many sales with their products. So I like that at least in the Advent form, you're getting a discount because you're not having to buy all of these products at the full price if you bought them individually, versus having them in this calendar does make it a little bit cheaper overall. So I think they did pretty good, but I want to hear from you guys. So comment down below, let me know what you think of this calendar. Is it your calendar for this season? And if so, like I said, I've got you covered with that link down there as well. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!